Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to change Facebook page name. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Facebook, and then you're going to have to simply go to your menu, and then you're going to have to simply tap on pages. Now here what you're going to have to do is to simply tap on switch now on the page that you want to change the name to, and then simply tap on menu again, and then simply go to the settings, and after that simply tap on page settings. Now here you're gonna have to simply tap on name, and after that what you're gonna have to do is to simply change the page name, and then simply tap on review change, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change Facebook page name. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.